What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. It is Halloween today. Hope you guys are having a great day, night, whenever you're watching this. I am kind of dressed up as Iron Man right now with my Iron Man helmet. We'll see if we can't find some good decorations here. So I am going to go to the mall first. See if we can't find some good places to get in the Halloween spirit. Of course, we are out on the KLX today. It is feeling good. But already just from my neighborhood, kids are laughing and having fun. So, I think it's going to be a good ride. So first things first, we're going to head to the mall, because usually the mall does some trick-or-treating there. And then after we do that, we'll go around to the different neighborhoods, see what's up. And we will have ourselves a nice little evening ride. I am ready to go here with my gear. Got my leather jacket on. Got several layers underneath it. Got my fat winter gloves on. So I am feeling good. One thing that's nice about my Iron Man helmet is that it doesn't have that little visor like dual sport helmets do. So it's pretty quiet. Hope my mic setup is good and everything, because I had to switch over my setup to this helmet. But I set it up in the same way, so everything should be good. You guys should be able to hear me. The angle should be good. I checked it before I left. And my head doesn't get lifted up when I tilt my head upwards. So we are almost to the mall. I know when I was a kid, that is where I would go for trick-or-treating most of the time, as my mom used to work there, and all the merchants would usually give out candy of some sort. Alright, so here we are at the mall. If you're new to the channel, I usually come to the mall a lot, just because it's good scenery, and there's some good places to do wheelies. And here, the motorcycle under a parking garage. Today, of course, I'm heading there because there should be some people there, trick-or-treating. See if we get any good costumes. But if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up with all the motorcycle content, dual sport KLX, or just some good old entertaining videos. So while we're here, we're probably going to do a couple laps. See if we got a lot of people here or not. First things first, you guys know the drill. We got to go through the parking garage. As you guys saw in my last video, I finally got the wheel to come up pretty decently. I'm still trying to get there consistently. Usually takes me a couple tries to rev the bike out high enough. But it's a good thing I got there, because now I know what it feels like. And I can continue to practice. Dick's has already got Christmas stuff out, so go ahead and skip Halloween and Thanksgiving. Looks like there's some people going to trick-or-treat inside the mall there. This side of the mall is usually kind of quiet. So we'll see when we get back to the other side of the mall. Looks like I'm going to have to hit up some neighborhoods. Everybody's already inside, trick-or-treating away. Trick or charge. Very clever. Alright guys, we are going to head to some neighborhoods, see if we can't find trick-or-treaters. Or just some good Halloween decorations. If any of you guys are still young enough to participate in Halloween, or not even young enough, still have some good old Halloween spirit, go ahead and let me know down in the comments what you guys dressed up as, or somebody you know that has a good costume, or had a good costume by the time you're seeing this. Let me know down in the comments what it was. So there's a good old Orchards lot, Toys R Us lot, that I often go practice wheelies at for you new people to the channel. You can smell it in the air. It sure smells like Halloween. You can smell the candles. Or at least, that's what I picture Halloween as, is a bunch of candles inside of a pumpkin. Alright, we are going to start off in this neighborhood over here. See if anything is going on. Alright, looks like we might get a good neighborhood here. One of the kids just said, "Whoa!" Alright, we are checking out another neighborhood. That neighborhood was pretty successful. Wow, that street has got a fog machine. That's pretty cool. We're gonna have to turn back and see that one. Alright, well, I think I just made a big loop, but looks like we got some kind of funny reactions. Cool to see that there's still some people putting the effort in for kids to go trick-or-treating. And also pretty cool to see that there are kids out there, a lot more than I thought, trick-or-treating, because it seems over the past few years that I haven't seen a lot, well, at least in my neighborhood. We are going to go to a couple other neighborhoods here. Not talking that much because just trying to get you guys a good view of the scenery. I can't really hear what people are saying to me, if they are saying anything to me, but I know kids and their costumes are pointing to my motorcycle, so either they like the motorcycle or they see my helmet. Either way though, looks like a good time. Gee, would you take the corner any closer? Also, I know I usually try and do wheelies and stuff in my videos, but you gotta be careful when there's a bunch of people around. You gotta make sure everyone stays safe. Whoa, look at that dragon, huh? That guy's got the setup right there. Alright guys, we are back on the KLX to finish off the video. I think I got some good footage from the Halloween ride, but I think I want to add a little bit more to that. So we are going to go around, mess around in the neighborhoods real quick here. Hope you guys enjoyed some of the Halloween stuff. It was just fun to get out, see everyone having a good time, see who had some awesome Halloween decorations. As I am riding right now, daylight savings time is over. So that means the sun's going to start going down earlier. It's going to get colder. So that means I need to ride a little bit earlier. So right now it is one of the nicest times of the day to ride. Sun is setting. Leaves on the trees are colorful. Just gotta look out for all the other cage pilots on the road, since visibility is at a minimum at this point of the day. But other than being wary of that, it's a great time to ride. After this, it gets pretty cold pretty quick, so I need to get some warmer gear to prepare for that. But until then, I can just layer up. I don't think I've ever been to this side of town on video. Looks like there might be a field that I can hit up over here when it's not so busy. A little too many people to be messing around on that field. So we'll go ahead and head to the other side of town and finish off the video real quick. Gotta use your eyes there, come on. Wow, that's a cool car. Got a little bit of class going on in there. The sun is really beating down right now. I bet these cars right here have no idea I'm sitting here. Nice little Gixxer there. Alright guys, that is probably going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoy coming along with me for a little bit of Halloween exploring. It should be a good one. But as always, if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Also share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. Also be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Stay tuned for some awesome KLX content. At least I think it'll be awesome. And with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.